What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Very short video today. I'm installing the speakers in the front doors of the Integra Type R. I installed the DSC 650s in the rear, and I'm installing better speakers in the front, the KSC 650s, which is a nice step up. They're 40 watts RMS more, so when I get an amp, the front doors will kick a little harder, and if I end up liking them as much as I think I will, I'll just go ahead and replace the back speakers with these. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and get the door open, get the panel off. This is going to be fun. So the owner in Japan put aftermarket speakers in the car, and if you remember what I said in the last video, I said it was probably a paper cone and they were blown for sure. Look at this. They are blown completely. So it's definitely time to replace this speaker. So removing the door panel in an RSX/Integra DC5 is easy. Just have to take the power mirror cover off, the little flap inside the door handle that covers 2 screws. Then you can pull the door handle completely off, and there's a 3rd screw. Then there's 2 screws at the bottom of the armrest. And then after you take that out, there's a bunch of clips around the perimeter of the door panel. So not too hard. Now that it's off, it's time to replace this speaker. So 1 door down, 1 to go. I'm definitely going to be doing an amp, as these speakers can handle a lot of power, and if you underpower them, they're going to be a little bit distorted. They sound so much better than the old speakers that I'm removing, but definitely going to need an amp to make them clean up a little bit. So I finished installing the speaker. So I drilled the holes with a smaller drill bit, 1/8, which will allow the screws to thread into the wood and expand, making it tighter and more secure. This way it won't strip. I don't know what kind of adapters these are, but the guy in Japan had some type of wood adapters put in so you could just drill in any speaker. They're really nice adapters, so I just had to reuse those. I didn't have to use the ones that I bought. So that's perfect. The speaker's installed. Gonna put the door panel back on. Now all I have to do is get the tweeters for the dashboard. I'm thinking about getting the OEM ones because they hide behind the cover. If not, I might get some kickers. Then I'm getting an Alpine 4-channel amp that I'm gonna hide either in the glove box or under the seat somewhere. This way I can get enough power to all these interior speakers, and then the stereo system will be complete. that's going to do it for today's short video. I just wanted to finish up with the speaker install in the front doors. Next is tweeters and an amp. You never want to underpower a speaker, always overpower them. So if a speaker is rated 100 RMS, you're better off giving them 110 than you would giving them 30 or 40. You don't want to underpower the speakers, as that's not a very good thing to do. So since I got 100 RMS in the front and 60 in the rear, I want to get an amplifier and at least give all the speakers 50 RMS or 60 RMS each. This way they're getting enough power and it's cleaner signal. So that's coming next. There's so much fun stuff coming, guys. And don't forget, if I can hit 10,000 subscribers by January 15th, Jody and I are giving away a full set of Falcon high performance tires. Share the channel with everyone. More details on that giveaway if I hit 10,000 subscribers by the 15th. I'll be doing a separate video on that as well. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, comment below. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching all my videos and supporting the channel. If you want to see all the gear that I'm buying for the cars, like stereo equipment, performance parts, and you want to check them out, the links are now going to be in the information box below. If you want to send me some cool shit for mail time, that information is the info box below as well. But once again, guys, I'm sorry for the short amount of content in this video. Lots of stuff to come. But until the next video, I'm Corey with Driveway Demons. Remember, have fun and be safe.